Hello guys, in this video we will see about basic limit theorem. Suppose limit of f of x as x approaches to a and limit of g of x at x approach to a is both exist. Then if limit of f of x as x approaches to a is L, this L is constant number, and limit of g of x as x approaches to a is M. This M and this L is real number or the result of this f of x and g of x. And let k be any real numbers. K is any real number or it is constant number. Then limit of f of x as x approach to a plus or minus g of x is equal to, this means limits at once, limit of f of x plus or minus g of x is equal to limit of f of x as x approach to a plus or minus limit of g of x as x approach to a. This means we can find for both variables or for both functions. We can find their limits separately for f of x and for g of x is equal to L plus M. L is the value of limit of f of x and M is the value of limit of g of x. So this is equal. The second one is limits of f g of x, f g of x as x approach to a is equal to limit of f of x as x approach to a times limit of g of x as x approach to a. The same to this, in this formula we can separate both f of x and g of x, and we can find limits for both functions separately is equal to L times L. As I told you, L is the value of f of x, M is the value of g of x. This third one is limit of k f of x. K is constant real number. So we can write like this, or first we can find limit of f of x. We find limit of f of x as x approach to a, and then we multiply this k with the value of limit of f of x as x approach to a, so it's equal to kl. Let us see this example. If limit of f of x at x approach to a is 3, this is L. Let us say L. Limit of g of x as x approach to a is minus 2. Then evaluate the 3 f of x minus 4 g of x over 5 f of x plus 2 g of x. This is as x approach to a. Then limit of 3, we can write this. This is k, like to this. 3 limit of f of x minus 4 limit of g of x as x approach to a over limit as x approach to a 5. We go, this is 5. 5 limits of f of x means we can make like this. Then limit of f of x plus 2 limits of g of x. This is as x approach to a. As x approach to a. This is as x approach to a. Then this is numerator, this is denominator. So we can solve for them for both equation separately, for numerator and for denominator. So this is equal to 3 times limit of f of x as x approach to a is 3. So 3 times 3 minus limit of g of x as x approach to a is minus 2 minus 4 times minus 2 over limit of f of x as x approach to a is 3. So 5 times 3 plus limit of g of x as x approach to a is minus 2. So 2 times 2 minus 2. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 9 minus 8 over 5 times 3 is 15. 15. 2 times 2 is minus 4. Then this minus times minus is plus, so is equal to 9 plus 8 over, sorry, this is 15 minus 14 is 11. So 9 plus 8 is 17 over 11. This is the final one.